natural health for beginners.
How to make hibiscus oil for skin and how to use it. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to make hibiscus oil, a powerful, natural treatment for radiant, youthful skin. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants and natural acids that help improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and maintain moisture. Not only will we demonstrate how to make this oil, but we'll also cover the best ways to use it to maximize its benefits for your skin. Ingredients: dried hibiscus flowers, a quarter cup. These can be store-bought or homemade. If using fresh hibiscus flowers, make sure to dry them completely to avoid any moisture in the oil, which could cause it to spoil. Carrier oil, 1 cup. Use a carrier oil that suits your skin type. Some good options include coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. Vitamin E oil, optional, 5 to 10 drops. Vitamin E oil can help extend the shelf life of the hibiscus oil and adds extra benefits for the skin. Instructions: prepare the hibiscus flowers. If using dried hibiscus flowers, measure out a quarter cup. If you're starting with fresh flowers, make sure to dry them thoroughly to prevent moisture from spoiling the oil. Heat the carrier oil. Pour 1 cup of your preferred carrier oil into a small saucepan. Warm the oil over low heat. Do not let it boil, as high heat can destroy the beneficial properties of the hibiscus. Add the hibiscus flowers. Once the oil is warm, add the hibiscus flowers to the oil. Stir the mixture gently and let it infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes over low heat. The oil will start to take on a beautiful pink or red hue from the hibiscus flowers. Let the mixture cool. Turn off the heat and let the hibiscus-infused oil cool completely. This will also allow more of the flower's nutrients to seep into the oil. Strain the oil. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the hibiscus flowers from the oil. Discard the flowers, and pour the oil into a clean, airtight glass container. Add vitamin E oil, optional. Add 5 to 10 drops of vitamin E oil to the hibiscus oil to help preserve it and add additional skin benefits. Store the oil, seal the bottle tightly and store it in a cool, dark place. Hibiscus oil can last for up to 3 months if stored properly. How to use hibiscus oil for skin. As a moisturizer, after cleansing your face, apply a few drops of hibiscus oil to your fingertips. Gently massage it into your skin in circular motions to help absorb the oil deeply. You can use this as a night treatment or apply it during the day for a glowing, hydrated complexion. In face masks, mix a few drops of hibiscus oil with a natural clay mask or yogurt for an antioxidant boost. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. As an eye treatment, apply a small drop of hibiscus oil around the eye area to reduce fine lines and puffiness. Gently pat it with your ring finger for even application. In body lotion or creams, add a few drops to your favorite body lotion or cream to enhance its moisturizing and firming effects. Conclusion: hibiscus oil is a versatile, nourishing addition to any skincare routine. By making it at home, you're ensuring its purity and potency. Try using hibiscus oil consistently, and you'll see improvements in skin tone, texture, and hydration. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.